How to use dynamic wallpaper on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can set dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 18. So let's get started without wasting any time. To set dynamic wallpaper on iPhone, first open the settings application. On the settings, swipe down and tap on wallpaper. Then tap on add new wallpaper. Now scroll all the way down and find iOS 18 wallpapers. So these are the iOS 18 wallpapers. Open one of these wallpapers. Now swipe left and choose dynamic wallpaper. So these wallpapers have subtle animations that react to motion and lighting conditions, making your backgrounds more interactive. Now tap add at the top right corner of the page. Tap set as wallpaper pair. You can also customize the wallpaper by clicking on customize home screen if you want. So guys, if your dynamic wallpaper doesn't work, then make sure that low power mode and reduce motion are turned off in your iPhone setting. To check this, open the settings application. Now tap battery. Here make sure that low power mode is turned off. Now tap accessibility, then tap motion. Here make sure that reduce motion is also turned off in your iPhone.